Hello everyone and welcome again to Edunix Academy. Wish you all happy Diwali and best wishes from Edunix Academy. So today we are going to start some previous year's questions on physics which are already came in NEET and JEE exam. So let us start. So we will be doing this type of problem. The question was the circuit combination logic circuit which contain 4 logic gates and you have to find out what is the output. Options are given. So before choosing options, so we need to understand how to solve this Boolean expression. Okay, that means this combination logic circuit bit by bit we go. So here 2 inputs are given A and B. This input is given to NOR gate and AND gate both to NOR gate. Finally, the output of the AND gate and OR gate is given to the NAND gate. This is NAND gate. Okay. Now see, first of all, let us consider this gate. Here input are A and B. Obviously, according to AND gate property, output will be A dot B. Similarly, A is given to OR gate through a means here this will be A bar. So the inputs are B and A bar. So obviously OR gate means simple addition operation. That means A bar plus B. So both the inputs AB and A bar B is fed to the and NAND gate. NAND gate means A dot B bar means the Y is equal to AB dot A bar plus B whole bar. So here we need to solve. This is a complex Boolean expression. We need to simplify it. How? Now just follow this. So here A B dot A bar plus B whole bar. If I open this whole bar, this will be A B bar plus A plus B bar. Now again let us open this. That is A bar plus B bar plus A bar dot B bar. Okay. Now finally what it comes? A bar plus B bar plus A B bar. Okay. Now from this simplified equation we have to find out what is Y. Y means the combination A bar B bar plus A B bar. So how to find out? Now let us draw a table. Now see, after getting the output from that logic gate, I got A bar plus B bar plus A B bar, that is equal to Y. Now see, this Y is a combination of two variables only, A and B. Whether A bar, B bar, that's separate issue. So here, A, B are taken. If A, B are two variables, that means four different variables I can take. Okay. If I get 0, 0, if I take 0, A is 0, B is 0, that means A bar is 1. B bar is 1 plus 1 plus 0. A is 0, B bar is 1. That means 0 into 1, that is 0. So, if I take A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, the output will come 1. Because if you put here A is equal to 0, means A bar plus B bar. 0 that is 1, 1 plus 1 plus 0, that is 1. Again, take this is 0, this is 1. Okay. So, whenever you take A is equal to 0, A complement will be 1 plus B complement will be 0 plus A is 0 into A is 0, B complement is 0, 0. That means 0 plus 1 that is equal to 0. Okay. See, again take A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0. Let's see what is coming. So if I take A is equal to 1, so A complement will be 1, A 0 plus B is 0 0 means B complement is 1. That means 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1. Plus here A plus B bar. A is 1, B is 1. That means 1. 1 plus 1. The output is 0. Okay. So now again take A, that means the last one. A is 1, A complement is 0. B is 1, B complement is 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A is 1, B complement is 0. That means 0 plus 0, that is equal to 0. Now see, my final answer is here. Okay, so final answer option is, this is 1 means final answer. Option is A bar, B bar. The output will be A bar and B bar. So now let us solve another question that is coming from NEET 2021 means 2021. So now let us solve another question. Now this is the question which came in NEET 2021. The question is given, the circuit is given like this. This is a combinational logic circuit, and you have been asked that what is the output? Means output, which type of circuit it will act. Now see, here is a single gate, single terminal, input terminal, NOR gate. Means it is a NOR gate. Okay, this is universal logic gate. NOR and NAND, you know, both are universal logic gate. By using this NOR and NAND, we can design various kind of gates. So here we have been asked to find out what is the final gate. Okay. Now see, if A is here, obviously, as it acts as a NOT gate, obviously the output will come as A complement. Similarly, B complement. Okay. Now see, in the third NOR gate, the input is A bar and B bar. So what is the output of this particular after this NOR gate? That means A bar plus B bar whole bar. Okay. So again, this is a NOT gate, means the complement of this whole means the output will be A bar plus B bar bar. You know, bar cancel out. That means the output will be A bar plus B bar. This is nothing but A dot B bar. That means it is a NAND gate. Okay, NAND gate means AB is AND and back. And just I have solved the Boolean expression. Okay. Now see, the final gate will be, you have been asked that A NOT gate, AND gate, NAND gate, and none of the above, like that. So final answer is, your answer is NAND gate. So this is a very beautiful question. You have to simplify and you have to finally recognize what is the coming and the output. According to that, you have to decide from this logical expression which gate is coming. Now let us discuss another question. Now this is another question which came in JEE Main 2021. Okay. The question is, this is a combinational logic circuit made up of NAND gate. So here all are NAND gate. There are altogether 4 NAND gate. So you have to solve what is the output, and according to that output which gate you are getting. Now see, this is a NAND gate, also universal logic gates. It also acts as a NOT gate. Okay, that means you are going to get A complement and B complement. So here A complement and B complement. At this particular stage, you will get A complement dot B complement complement. Okay. Then after this, you will get A complement dot B complement complement, because this is also a NOT gate. Okay. So this complement cancel out, A complement dot B complement. That is nothing but A plus B bar. That means it is nothing but it is a NOR gate. Okay. So now see how you are getting NOR gate. by using NAND. Right? So this type of questions definitely coming. And basically 3.4% of logic years. This particular type of question is coming in JEE Main and JEE Advanced and also in NEET. Okay. Now let us solve another very interesting question, and you have to you have to put little bit concentration while analyzing the question. Now see how interesting is this question. Not only it looks interesting but also it is critical and also you need to understand more. Now see, A signal is given, B signal is given. You know these are digital signal having two steps, that means either 0 or 1. Okay. So here in this particular case, A from 0 to 2 time period the signal is high. Okay. Next 2 to 3 this is 0. Then 3 to onwards this is high, means 1. Similarly, B signal, that means this B input, from 0 to 1 it is 0, 1 to 2 it is 1, 2 to 3 0 again, and this is 1, 3 to 4 high, then 0. Okay, we have to consider, here we are getting the variables. Now how? See, in the first time period, we have to represent the graph output, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is output graph. We have to represent output graph. Now see, in the first second, that means in the first 0 to 1, we are getting A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0. So let's see what is the output is coming. If A is equal to 1, that means this is 0. In the first 0 to 1 time period. At the same time, B is equal to 0. Now see, when this is OR gate, 0 plus 0 is 0. Now this is NOT gate, means complement of 0 you will get, that means 1. The output is 1. That means from 0 to 1 period we are getting output. That means our output graph will be come like this from 0 to 1 time period. Next come to in the second, that is 1 to 2, both are 1. Means A is 1, B is also 1. Now let us put A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1. If you put A is equal to 1, obviously this will be how much? That means 1 means 0. B is 1 means 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. So output will be 0. So in 2 to 1 to 2 time period, the signal will remain as 0. This is 1, this is 0. Okay. Next come to 2 to 3 time period. In 2 to 3 time period, both are 0. That means A is 0, B is also 0. If it is 0, then this means the output line gate is 1. Here 0 means this is 1. If this is 1, means not gate output is 0. That means in 2 to 3, again it will come as 0. Next come to next cycle, 1 and 1, 3 to 4, both are 1. If both are 1, that means this is 0. Again, this is 1, this is 1, this is 0. That means up to 3 to 4, this is also 0. Next come to 4 to 5. 4 to 5 1, then 4 to 5 0. Means this is 1, this is 0. Means 0, means 0, means 1. So 4 to 5, it will come like this. So this is our final output graph. Now here you need to understand how I am taking the input from the two input graphs. So I have to put the input value in the circuit. I have to find out the output at the right time period. I have to find whether the output is 0 or 1. In this way, you have to solve different type of questions, and please be prepared for JEE Main coming 2026 and also NEET. These are very common paper you are going to face. These are very common type of questions you are going to face in your examination. So I hope this video will be helpful And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And stay updated. And thank you.